Masicka put out a song today titled Goat. And the whole internet come down upon him and swarm him and want flag him. They must say him a this Vybz Kartel because of Vybz Kartel first sing about goat. But 5 months ago, Spice did put out a song titled Goat. In that song, Spice is telling you that her nunani is the goat. 4 months later, Vybz Kartel drop a song asking a question. You know a goat? Today, Masicka drop a song titled Goat. And in that song, Masicka is singing, "Them call me the goat." So what is the problem? What the problem is about? Vybz Kartel never made any claim that he is the goat of dancehall in his song. Neither Masicka. In Vybz Kartel's song, he is telling a story how he got out of prison and how he sent Isaac Buchanan to deal with the case, etc. In Masicka's song, Masicka is singing about gangsterism and girls. And in the hook of his song, Masicka is singing, "Them call me the goat." I never hear Masicka sing anything say, "Me a the goat." And me never hear Vybz Kartel sing anything say, "Me a the goat." Rather than ask a question, "You know a goat?" And Masicka say, "Them call me the goat." Me no know what the problem is about. Maybe you no now listen to the artist them and think. I feel like when I take the artist them lyrics out of context and I build problem on the internet. But anyway, Masicka, big up yourself. Vybz Kartel, big up yourself. Fans, me no never go to now look for curry or what. But I'm done with the goat war now, man. Done with the goat war, Rasta. See, I did the idea that I said, because we hear some of the goat business are darkness too. But anyway, me a step. Shocking Morris said that.